Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to unbox and demonstrate a PDW Water Gel Blaster. This is an adult toy gun and is meant for teens and up, not for young children. PDW stands for Personal Defense Weapon, by the way. This is distributed by Dastimun and came from Amazon. The reason you might want to get one of these gel guns is it can be entertaining and fun. If you shoot with someone, it can be a competition, and using something like this can improve eye coordination, targeting, and goal skills. It can encourage you to get outdoors and get some exercise. Let's open it up. Now I have already charged the battery and followed the instructions on how to prepare the water gel balls. So right now, this is what the gun looks like. It looks just like this. This part back here you can adjust, take it, put it in the back if you don't need it, or if you want to store it. It's like that, and it just locks back into place. The trigger, of course, is down here, and you can select different settings. Like this is off. If you turn it off right here, won't work. And then different firing speeds. So here is a look of what comes in the box. Now this is the instructions right here. It outlines how you put the battery in, all the different lock speeds, how you put the gel balls in, and storing and attaching different things. All the instructions are found on this paper, and it will help guide you through anything you need. Here is the magnifier. This can be attached on top of the gun. I don't have it attached right now, obviously, so I can show you a closer look. It is adjustable and real good, especially if you're trying to be competitive. Now here are the goggles. You get one pair. I obviously have not opened them quite yet because I haven't started to play with this yet, but I will later. Eye safety is important. Now here is the USB charging cable. There is a red light that comes on that will tell you when you need to charge it and when it is charging. This is the strap. You can put the strap on the gun if you'd like to have it be able to be resting around you, maybe if you're moving around. I don't have it attached because I don't have anybody to compete with right now. The battery is already installed. The battery installation is found on the instructions. Very simple to follow. It does come with its own screwdriver, so you don't need to worry about finding your own at the moment. There are gun caps in two different colors, red and black, not green, black. I have not put one on yet, but I'm pretty sure I'll probably put the red one on. And there are 2 packets of water seeds. This is the blue one. I do have the orange ones all prepared. I'll show you those in a little bit. Now, this side of the instruction manual, it does tell you how to grow the gel balls, how to store the gel balls, and how to attach the hopper to the front of the gun, and lots of other important information. Now with the gel balls, I have my orange ones right here. I prepared some so I can show you. They must be submerged in water for 3 to 4 hours before use. They look like that. Ooh, they look like that. And they can stay up to, they can be hydrated up to 5 months if stored properly. So like I said, I did take a package of these out already and prepare them so I can demonstrate them for you. I've already charged the battery, but the battery takes up to 1 to 2 hours to fully charge. And for the gun does shoot up to 300 gel balls per minute. And the shooting range is up to 60 to 65 feet. This is not like a paintball gun. When the water beads are ejected, it breaks as soon as it encounters whatever it hit. And it'll break into a fine powder on impact. It's not going to leave you a bruise or hurt you like a paintball would. Now, once the gel balls are dried, they will completely disappear. They won't stain clothes either, and again, they will not harm you. But I do still highly recommend you wear protective glasses because mistakes happen all the time, and protection is important. Alright, so I am going to go try this out now. I did load up the gel balls. They do go in here. I could take it off in a moment, but I recommend, especially if you're in a competitive setting, maybe acquiring a funnel to help you put them in there. I put it in by hand, but certainly if you're in a competitive environment, you probably want to be able to do it faster. So right now it's off, so obviously it's not going to push anything out, but I will be very clear here. The balls, when you shoot them, you're not going to see them, and I didn't think the thing was shooting at first, but it is. They're very clear, they're hard to see, so if I, turn it on, I put it on to the highest setting, and go, I don't know if you're going to be able to see anything, but alright, so I'm going to go aim at a target. I don't know if you can hear that, but I'm hitting the target. My aim is really bad, but I'm working on it. Alright, so I'm going to aim for the stair risers, so maybe we can see what the gel balls look like when they hit. Now, the orange balls are harder to see, but I can assure you, this is a really fun way to play and go around without hitting each other or harming each other. It's definitely a good thing to learn about dexterity, shooting, aiming, and having a nice, fun, competitive game without people getting hurt. Be sure to check the description section below for more information. Like this video, subscribe to our channel for more reviews. Thanks for watching.